Changing your legal name on Cadre 2026 involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order, depending on the reason for your name change. Step 2. Access your Cadre 2026 account. Log into your Cadre 2026 account using your existing credentials. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Navigate to the name change section. Once logged in, locate the section dedicated to personal information or account settings. Look for an option specifically labeled for name changes. Step 4. Submit your name change request. Fill out the required fields with your new legal name and upload the supporting documents you gathered in Step 1. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm changes and await approval. After submitting your request, check for a confirmation message or email. Monitor your account for updates regarding the approval of your name change. Following these steps will help you successfully change your legal name on Cadre 2026. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.